Alright guys, I told you I'd get this video done on how to create hanging indent in both Google Docs and Microsoft Word. What I've chosen to do here is get a sample Works Cited page that's already created. It does not have the hanging indent as it should have, and show you how you can correct that when you've already typed the document. These same settings that I show you, you can set before you start typing your Works Cited, and that will probably work better for you. But for visual, I think it's better to see it where you already have text on the page. So here we have our Works Cited page in Google Docs. And what you're going to do if you've already typed your Works Cited is you're going to highlight all of your Works Cited. Now, hopefully you did not hit enter at any of the lines unless you were going to the next citation. Once you have highlighted everything that you want to hang indent, you want to click on Format. You want to go to Align and Indent, this Align and Indent tab here. And you're going to go to Indentation Options. When you click on that, it's going to pull a pop-up menu up, and you'll see that you can control the indentation of left and right, which I don't want you to mess with. And then you have special types of indentions. When you click on those, you have first line indentation, and then you have hanging indent. Hanging indent is what you want. And the automatic setting is 1/2 inch, which is the standard. Then click Apply, and you can see that it's going to have a flush left line every time you have hit enter before the line. And as you've typed along and it's paginated to the next line, it will hang indent, sort of a backwards paragraph type situation. Now, if you did that setting before you started typing, then you would see that it would actually do it automatically for you as you went along. Now, on Microsoft Word, it's very much the same thing. Here you have the Works Cited page, and because it's already typed up, you highlight the entire thing, you select the entire thing. Up here in the paragraph menu, you click on the little arrow on the bottom right, which brings your pop-up menu, and you find the indentation section here. Click on the special for the drop down and click on hanging, and again default is 1/2 inch, and that creates your hanging indent. In Microsoft Word, it is again easy to set that as you move on to your Works Cited page. Do remember a few things. Your Works Cited page should be alphabetized regardless of whether you have author's last name or not, and it needs to be on a page by itself at the end of the document. So the pagination has to go along with the pagination for your entire research paper. So if you had 6 pages of research paper, Works Cited should be 7 by itself. If you have any questions, you can always email me or ask questions when you see me in class.